No tomato beef jollof was a hit from start to finish. Come closer, let me show you how I made it. Now in your pot, you want to add your oil. I use sunflower oil and then going with your seasoned beef. Fry this beef till it is cooked and then set aside. Now going with your coconut flavor and then add your pepper mix. These peppers I used are called sweet pointed peppers in the UK or tatashe in Nigeria. Check my caption for a detailed ingredient list of what this pepper mix contains. Now add paprika and of course your non-seasoning cubes. Fry for about a minute and then you want to go in with your washed rice. Now add your washed rice and fry this for about 5 minutes. Please have some patience and fry this rice very well because we want it to have this color and texture. Now add your coconut milk and your meat stock, stir this and then cover with some foil paper. Seal up and leave to cook. Once your rice is cooked, you want to go in with your beef. The beef we fried at the beginning, okay? And stir. You guys, by this time, your rice is ready. One Odoku customer ordered this with some grilled chicken. Trust me to deliver. Don't forget to like, share to your friends, and follow for some more amazing recipes.